the waves get when you're near the shore.
Yeah, it's coming up. We're getting sun. We're getting sun.
Oh my God! Is that Santa Claus?
In Florida?
No, I mean like
on the. You know what? It's a really cloudy day, and we're still getting the sunrise, which is kind of amazing.
And his ugly mother duckling. No, I swear, I see Santa Claus doing this. And I see his cloud form. And I see his little. Oh, I see the girl that says once there was a way to get back home. I see Bruce's truck.
You see Bruce's truck? I don't know how you see all of that stuff you're seeing.
No, like it's so easy to see. The Santa Claus one is really easy, but the Bruce truck is hard. Oh, I see the Bruce truck. I see an alligator versing the Bruce. Wait, do you see like a little monster behind Santa Claus?
I know that the water's really calm.
I see a real monster, but not behind Santa Claus. Does it make like a starish thing? Like this? No! I don't see Santa Claus. Oh, you're feeling.
Achoo. Achoo.
Achoo.
Don't get the phone wet. You just do this, achoo. Like that. People think you spit. You go, achoo. And then somebody, motherfucker, you just spit on me. You gotta go, achoo. Best way to start a fight. Best way to start a fight.
Oh my gosh, that's hilarious. You teach us the best things for a life lesson. Never do. Somebody's like.
There it is. I think that's.
It's right near Santa Claus beard.
I don't see Santa Claus. I don't see any of the stuff that you say you're seeing.
It's like now on the sled, but like it was. Oh, I see Santa Claus.
I'm looking at the clouds and I don't see Santa Claus.
Dad, I see his bag and I see his reindeer attached to his sled.
I don't see it.
Look, you gotta look up where by the ducklings.
Okay, look up by the ducklings.
And then
I don't even see ducklings. But I used to see, there's usually birds flying when the sun comes up. I don't see the birds.
Maybe
and there's usually,
the
early bird gets the worm, but they say the late worm gets eaten. So if a worm stays up too late, it gets eaten. And if a bird, whoa, whoa, that was a whoa. Can you feel the heat?
People heard the heat wave. That was the heat wave. Because it was so big. Get it? No? I see a boat. Like
man, you saying all of this stuff you're seeing in the clouds, and I'm not seeing it.
It's so obvious. I can see his eyes. Look, I see a girl. I see Mother Nature in the clouds. I see a truck. No, I see a girl. I see a girl with a nose doing this. Oh my gosh.
You see somebody with their nose up?
No, I think that's... What happened to her? Mother Nature, I can see you. Just come out. Please. It looks like something's gathering up. They look like superheroes. That looks like a Greek gorilla. That looks like Harambe on the magic carpet.
Harambe on the magic carpet? That's what you see when you see the...
Yes. It's right there.
Yeah, I'm sorry, but I don't see Harambe on the magic carpet. But I do see the sun just jumped up out the water. The sun just jumped up out of the water. Look at this wave coming. Whoa, that took you under. That was a lot of wave.
It looks like they're all going. I see ghosts. Like ghosts, like. I have a really good imagination. Me too. That's why I saw.
Look at that! Oh my goodness!
Those look like ducks.
Where?
That looks like a big shit duck.
I don't see any of the stuff you're seeing in the clouds.
Right there, it looks like look.
Okay, there's a cloud that you say looks like the thing from Ghostbusters.
Yeah, marshmallow. Okay, look.
Marshmallow from Ghostbusters.
See that?
Well, look, I'm taking pictures of it so you can show me later.
Okay. Because. And then I see the scary marshmallow. Oh, I see a little carpet. He's on a little carpet.
You know what I can't believe?
I see a really scary marshmallow. And then with the cute girl that he's about to.
Look how far the sun's out of the water now. I think it's coming up pretty fast.
Really fast. Really fast. How many minutes? Well, no.
Right now, I've been recording for 6 minutes, but I don't know how long the sun's been out. But I know you can't see the sun.
Oh!
I think there's a mosquito on me.
Yeah, I got it. Achoo.
You can't look directly into the sun unless you're a camera. Cameras can look directly into the sun.
I'm looking directly into the sun, and I'm almost blind. Yep, I'm almost blind. I can't stop looking at the sun. Stop looking at it because it gets so bright. Alan,
Good morning.
Hold on, bro. You sneezed on me. You sneezed on me. That kind of looks like the guy from Angry Birds, the boomerang guy.
Weird. I don't understand.
No, not the fast dog. No, the beat.
All right, you two get together so I can take your photo.
And he's about to eat the marshmallow.
Okay, get together so I can take your photo. And we'll call this the sunrise.
And the crazy clouds.
Crazy clouds in the sunrise.
Crazy clouds in the sunrise.
Alan B and Sarah D in the Atlantic Ocean. Watch it. All right. Y'all good? Okay. Okay. Hey.